Alright.
I am just...
You're good.
This is Braden's ghetto. It's like a selfie stick for Firework.
That's kind of fun.
That was actually pretty awesome.
That was like, yeah.
Do you see that misfire?
Yeah.
The tree? It hit the tree? And it scared the crap out of me. Well, I don't think so.
Is anything on fire?
No. Just the whole field.
I know because one went that way, one went that way, one went on our house.
One went under the car, one went under.
I don't even know where it all went. I just
One went above our house. Might want to check the back.
there's nothing on the side. It's not like you can blow up the side and then fall over. It didn't do anything.
What happened?
I have no idea.
Did they go off?
It was not lightning one, huh? It was the Guardian one.
We survived! So, this firework just misfired and it just started flying at us every which way you can think. It was pretty terrifying. Everything else went fine, but this one kind of shot at us.
Yeah, there's always that one that...
Yeah, it went towards the field, it went towards our house, under cars, it was... Neighbors, you know, big fun time for all. Warning, it shoots fireballs, which just burned out.
Good thing they had their babies to protect them.
Oh, I know. Using babies to protect them.
Baby shields! Alright.
I know. Everything else worked out fine.
Yeah, they were fun.
But this one, you might want to go tell them.
Yeah.
I
don't think they'd do anything about it.
I know. Just saying, it's a little terrifying when stuff is flying towards you of fiery explosions. So, the craziest thing just happened. I was talking about it a little bit, but fireworks came flying towards us every which way. It was insane. I was terrified. Everyone else was terrified. Oh yeah, my room got a little bit redesigned. Sneak peek. I'll give it a different tour later on. But it was terrifying. Like, our neighbors were out, like, just seeing the neighbor in their yard. There we go. And then you just start seeing them fly towards them. I have photos of the misfunction. But the one time I'm not recording is the time when all of these fireworks misfunction. It is insane. I wish I could have got it for you guys, but you know, that's how things work sometimes. So I try to stay alive during fireworks season. And I'll catch you guys later. Goodbye. free headphones with it. I don't know if they're good, but you know, free headphones are free headphones. So, open this up. And there we go.